hematology and andrology lab. In hematology department, the main samples will be collected in lavender tubes. So the anticoagulant in the lavender tube is EDTA, and after collection it should be inverted 8 times. This anticoagulant binds calcium. So calcium cannot be done in this lavender tube. Uh, what are all the routine tests done in hematology department is the CBC, which includes hemoglobin, PCV, etc. Coagulation. In coagulation department, mostly the samples are collected in light blue tubes, which contain sodium citrate as anticoagulant. This also should be inverted 8 times. And this anticoagulant also binds calcium. The tests done are PT, PTT, APTT, etc. And one thing to keep in mind while collecting in light blue tube is the sample should be collected till the mark. Blood bank and immunohematology. So lavender and red tubes are used in blood bank and immunohematology. And for red tubes, the tube should be inverted for 5 times, and for lavender tubes 8 times. And what are all the routine tests they do is blood grouping, cross matching, etc. Clinical pathology that includes urine, stool, and semen analysis. Urine, the physical and microscopic tests are done, and in stool mostly occult blood and reducing substances are done, and for semen analysis, sperm count, motility, all that is done, and 3 to 5 days abstinence has to be insisted. Serology. Serology, plain tubes and gold, SSD gold tubes are gel clot activated tubes are used. For plain tube, 5 times it has to be mixed. And what are all the routine tests is RA, ASO, CRP, ANA, etc., VDRL, etc. Next we'll go move on to biochemistry. Biochemistry, the main what are all the tubes used are gold, EDTA, green tubes, grey and red. And the anticoagulants are for green heparin, sodium heparin and lithium heparin. Grey, sodium fluoride and potassium oxalate. Lavender, as I told before, EDTA. Red, clot activators are there, no anticoagulant. And invert all tubes except SSD tubes. Biochemistry. What are all the routine tests are? Electrolytes, then urea, creatinine, calcium, cholesterol, glucose, ammonia, LDH, liver enzymes, amylase, lipase, are all routine tests done in biochemistry. Special handling requirements. For some samples, cold specimens are preferred. That is, the chilled samples are cooled immediately following collection to slow down metabolic processes that may alter some chemical values. Example are acetone, ammonia, blood gases, etc. And warm the specimen. Some specimens like cold agglutinin test requires room temperature for transportation, and some specimens like bilirubin, carotene, etc., they need protection from light.